Hello everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today we are going to show you Excel magic trick so you can fill column with any your number in just a second. So I'm going to show you here. So suppose I need 1 to 1000, then just click here one where you want and then go to your fill and click on series, and you can choose step value is this one and stop value will be 1000, and if I do your 1000 and remind your series in column, it will row will be go like this and column will be goes like this horizontally. So we will click on columns and then okay, then you can see here it will do the 1 to 1000 number you can see here. So if you want to do the same thing again here, or suppose I will start from 2 and again I will go to fill series, and now if I go to 1000 here by choosing row, again now I click this, you can see here it will be split it into 1000 into row sides. So in this way you can do your fill your column with the number or anything. So I hope you like this trick, so please thumbs up this video and like this video and keep sharing this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.